If you spend most of your day in a chair, you already know this. A bad one doesn't just make you uncomfortable. It quietly drains your energy, your focus, and eventually your health. Your lower back starts nagging, your shoulders creep up towards your ears, and by the end of the day, you're squirming around just trying to find a position that doesn't hurt. That's the problem that the Boulies OP300 is trying to solve. Today we're taking a look at what this chair actually offers, how all the adjustments work in real life, and who I think it's best suited for. By the end, you should know whether the OP300 deserves to live in your setup or whether you should keep on looking. So, what is the Boulies OP300? It's a premium adjustable office chair designed for more productivity and ergonomics rather than for flashy gaming aesthetics. It's built for people who sit for long stretches, like home office workers, office teams, gamers, editors, coders, really anyone who can easily rack up 6 to 10 hours at a desk a day. The design is deliberately clean and professional. A tall backrest, a wide seat, and a simple modern frame that doesn't scream for attention in the background of your calls. Structurally, the OP300 uses a reinforced plastic frame and a heavy-duty engineering plastic base. The gas lift is a Class 3 heavy-duty cylinder, so height changes can feel solid rather than wobbly. Underneath, you've got XL nylon casters that roll smoothly even on carpet, which is a nice upgrade if you're currently dragging a basic office chair across the floor. But the real story here is the adjustability. So in plain English, that means you can adjust both the tilt of the seat and the recline of the backrest. You can sit upright and locked in for focused work, or unlock the mechanism and let the chair gently move as soon as you shift your weight. The backrest reclines from a very upright working angle to a more relaxed position for reading or watching content. More importantly, you can raise or lower the entire backrest. That lets you line up the built-in lumbar curve with your own spine. Then there's the seat. The OP300 gives you an adjustable seat depth, which is something you usually only see on more serious ergonomic chairs. The seat pan can slide forward or backward relative to the backrest. The cushion itself is wide and supportive without being rock hard. There are no narrow racing style bolsters boxing you in, so if you like to shift positions a little bit throughout the day, you can do that without the sides digging into your hips. Combine that with the tilt adjustment and you can choose a more forward leaning hip support posture for getting work done, or a slightly backward angle when you want to relax but still stay supported. Moving up, the OP300 includes a fully adjustable backrest. You can move it up and down, change the angle and bring it closer or further from the back of your head. When you've got it all dialed in, it supports the top of your neck or the back of your head when you lean back, so you're not constantly holding your head up with your neck muscles. For long reading sessions, video calls, or watching content after work, this is one of those features you don't think about until you have it. For long reading sessions, video calls, or watching content after work, this is one of those features you don't think you need until you have it. The armrests are another area where Boulies didn't cheap out. Up and down for height, and they can move or swivel to change their width and angle. One big decision with the OP300 is the backrest material. You can choose a full mesh or a padded mesh version. The full mesh option is all about airflow. It keeps your back cool during long sessions, especially if your room runs warm or you don't have air conditioning. The padded mesh variant adds a layer of cushioning while still letting air pass through, giving you a softer feel without turning into a sweaty solid foam back. Durability wise, the OP300 is built to be more than just comfortable on day one. The reinforced frame, heavy-duty gas lift and robust base are designed to handle daily use for years. Boulies backs it with a limited 2-year warranty and a 14-day return window, so you have some peace of mind if it doesn't work out for you. In terms of price, it sits into the mid to upper mid range of ergonomic office chairs. Now, it's not the cheapest out there, but it's also not in the extreme premium bracket where you're playing close to 4 figures. You're essentially trading up from a basic, mostly fixed chair to something that gives you deep adjustability, better materials, and much better long-term comfort. If you're interested in checking it out, have a look at the OP300 page. Compare the mesh versus padded mesh options and see the latest pricing for your region. Whatever chair you end up choosing, remember, you probably spend more time in it than in your sofa or your car. Investing in one that genuinely supports your body isn't a luxury. It's one of the smartest upgrades that you can make to your workspace. So let me know your guys' thoughts in the comment section below. Is the Boulies OP300 something that you'd get? Please let me know, I'd love to hear it. Anyways, I've been Adam from TechUtopia. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you in the next video.